Yo, YouTubers, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how I edit my YouTube videos. This is the 2018 edition, and yeah, so let's get started. First what you want to do is mouse up to your icon right there, and go to your Creator Studio right by paid memberships. Okay. When you're at Creator Studio, go to Video Manager. I'm not telling you how to edit videos, I'm just showing y'all. Okay, this one is the one that I haven't edited, and it's one of my recent videos. Playing basketball is 6 views, 1 comment, 1 like. Okay, that's edit, and you can press the edit button or press the down arrow. So this is the info and settings. You can view those. You can choose a thumbnail, custom thumbnail. Let's see. Okay, I edit the description like that. Okay. I do tags like basketball. There we go, basketball. Okay, I set a privacy setting. Okay, I add to playlist. Okay, I save changes. Okay, I don't go to enhancements unless I need to. So yeah. I don't go to enhancements unless I need to. Okay, sometimes I trim and I blur stuff out, and that's all I do on enhancements. And sometimes I do audio when there's no music playing. Like, yeah. Like, I go to audio, end screen, and annotations. This is where I go. Okay. I've already edited the end screens. Look. Okay. And I have done the cards also. And you can also do the subtitles, closed captions. So that's it. That's all I wanted to tell y'all on how I edit my videos. Okay? Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.